guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be traveling to Lanzarote, so come with me, let's go.
Going to check in. Welcome to the hotel.
So I was served a glass of champagne upon arrival. It was so nice. After the check-in procedure, my room was not ready, which I understood because I arrived a little bit too early. I arrived at like 11 a.m. at the hotel and the room was not ready. So I decided to just roam around in the city, go tour, go to the beach, take a walk and see what it's given. So yeah, come with me. So this is Playa Blanca Beach. It is sun-soaked, like paradise with soft sand and crystal clear waters, as you can see. It also has this laid-back island vibe, which is perfect for like an escape, like a day on the beach. It's very calm and clean, as you can see. I really loved this beach. It was everything. Just look at the waters. Wow. So this beach was only 15 minutes away from the resort, which was so good because you only had to take a bus right in front of the resort and then it's 3 stops to the beach. So guys, I checked in my room and it's not bad. Like, it's actually quite spacious, and I really wanted like a double bed, but we're gonna make this work anyways. So I'm gonna do a little room tour. Excuse my voice, I'm so sick. But yeah, we're gonna do a little room tour, show you what it's giving. I didn't get the best view, but ciao. Yeah, you know, so yeah, let's do it. So this is the bathroom. It has a little shower thingy, and this is the sink area. I don't know, it's not the best cleaned, but yeah, maybe I am just a little extra because I really like my spaces and everything to be extra clean. But yeah, hotels never meet those standards. Okay, we got a little insect issue. Anyway, so yeah, this is it, and this is the toilet right here. There's nothing separating, but yeah, and then you come in and you have the room. It's spacious. Like, you have two singles put together. You have your closet right there, TV, and a little desk area, sofa area, and the balcony. I got a city view. So yeah, anyways, this is the room. It's actually like giving, right? Yeah, it is giving a little bit. This is the room. It's not 100% clean, but we can make it work, right? And yeah, it's big, it's spacious. I think that's all I need, honestly. That's all I need. And later I'll go up and then show you guys around. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for the phone to open so I can go. Opens at 6:30 and it's currently 6:03. I'm not really hungry, but I just wanted to, see what they had. Because on TikTok, they're like, oh, the food is not all that. I've lost a lot of lashes, y'all. Not giving no. Yeah. So hopefully it's some good ice cream. With this sickness, I don't have time for it. You know. was really pretty. The food was so good, but I couldn't eat much. If you made it to this far of the video, thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, comment, share to your friends, and also subscribe if you haven't. And stay tuned for part 2.